So how do we actually fix our GameSir G7 SE controller that it randomly disconnects? Well, there is one fix I'm going to show you now that should completely fix this issue for you. So firstly, what you're going to do is that you're going to make sure that it's connected somewhere. I have it connected to my laptop here, as you can see, and you will see the light flashing here when you click on the Xbox button. So make sure that it's powered on as well. And then what you need to do is to just click on the LT and RT button to the maximum level here, as you can see. And then you're going to rotate these joysticks here 3 times to their maximum here, as you can see. And now just click on the A button. So now when you have done so, you have calibrated the joysticks, which is really good. So now what we need to do as well is to make sure that this cable here is actually inserted correctly. So make sure that you insert it all the way in. That's very important because sometimes that is also the reason why it's going to randomly disconnect. And then just click on the Xbox button here. It's going to turn solid white now, meaning that it's now powered on. So try this and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.